Good morning, grade 9s. Welcome to our number patterns class of today. Goeiemôre graad 9s. Baie welkom by ons getalpatrone klas vir vandag. Kom ons gaan kyk na hierdie bekende getalpatroon. That's our square numbers. 1 times 1, 2 times 2, 3 times 3, 4 times 4. Ons moet dit dadelik herken, ons vierkants getalpatroon, en daarom kan ons sê Tn is gelyk aan n kwadraat. 1 mal 1, 2 mal 2, 3 times 3, so I'm gonna write down the next three terms. It's going to be 4 times 4. 5 times 5 gives you 25, 6 mal 6 is 36, en 7 mal 7 is 49. Partymal kry ons ander getalpatrone wat nie so maklik herkenbaar is nie, like these ones. But then, when I check out the first difference and the second difference, then I see that the second difference is constant. When the second difference is constant, you can always be sure that there is a square in it, an n square in it. So if you write down your Tn, then you must use the peanuts here inside to determine your Tn formula. Wanneer ek Tn dus n kwadraat gebruik en ek sê term 1 is 1 mal 1 is 1 en dis nie 1 nie, dan moet ek 'n ander plan maak om hierdie getalle te genereer. So if you look at this thing, if I've got 1 square, then I can add 1. But if I try to do it with the second term, it will not work, because 2 square plus 1 gives you 5, not 6. So I need to add the same thing to the n square. So if I've got 1 square, I need to add 1. If I've got 2 square, I need to add 2. If I've got 3 square, I need to add 3. So how will I write that? N square plus n. Because if it's 1 square, I need to add 1. If it's 2 square, I need to add 2. So if it's n square, I need to add n. Let's check the fourth term. If it's 4 square, that's 16, I need to add 4 to get 20. So this will work. So let's write down the next three terms. Got 5 square, it's 25, plus 5 gives me 30. If I've got 6 square, 6 mal 6 is 36, plus 6 is 42. As ek 7 kwadraat het, is dit 49, plus 7 is 56. Dan is dit maklik om die volgende 3 terme neer te skryf. Let's look at this one, grade 9s. Let's check the first difference. It's 3, then 5, then 7, so I can see the second difference is constant again. So onthou wat juffrou vir jou geleer het, as dit die geval is, dan weet ek daar is 'n n kwadraat by betrokke. Maar kom ons gaan kyk. As ek 1 hier insit, 1, dan is 1 kwadraat gelyk aan 1. Dit kan nie werk nie, so I need to add 2. Let's try that first and see whether that's going to work. If I've got 1 square plus 2, I get 3. 2 square plus 2, I get 6. 3 square plus 2, I get 9. Yes, it's working. Great stuff. So now I've got 4 square plus 2, dit gee 18. So die volgende een gaan wees 5 kwadraat plus 2, so my volgende term gaan 27 wees. 6 kwadraat plus 2 is 38 en 7 kwadraat plus 2, 7 kwadraat is 49 plus 2 is 51. I can write down my Tn and I can answer all the questions regarding this funny number patterns. Graad 9 dan kry julle huiswerk op die groep en oefen hierdie sodat julle gewoond kan raak aan getalpatrone wat bietjie anders lyk. Lekker oefen.